A long time ago in China, there was a famous poet named Qu Yuan. He was one of the emperor's most loyal advisors. Unfortunately, the emperor didn't believe him.
Upset about losing the emperor's trust, Qu Yuan decided to end his own life. So, on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month, he jumped into the Mirror River.
People were saddened to hear about his death. So, to keep the fish from destroying his body, they threw bamboo leaves filled with rice into the river and beat on drums.
And to honor the poet's memory, people made rice dumplings and held boat races on that Sunday every year. Now we call this time